Hi, I'm Jimmy from Mad About Design. I'm the designer of this executive apartment in Hougang, which actually belongs to me and my family. Personally, I don't really design by theme. I prefer to customize the look according to what clients like. So I took the same approach when designing my house. Both my wife and I generally like warm, bright themes. But I also wanted some dark areas for the contrast. There are also a few Japanese influences here and there. The kitchen was designed to look like a famous Japanese hotel called Aman Kyoto, while some smaller details were inspired by Taro Ando, who is one of the most well-known architects in Japan. Looks-wise, I wanted the foyer area to be dark and mysterious, so that when you walk further into the house, there is this striking visual contrast that will make you go wow. Also, I decided to have both wet and dry kitchens because I like the idea of having separate spaces. As the house is very big, it gave me the chance to experiment with the space. Firstly, we merged the kitchen, living room, balcony, and one of the junior bedrooms to create a big communal area. Then, we turned the old dining room and the utility area into the master bedroom. But this meant that the master ensuite was left outside. So we also had to reshape the whole corridor to merge it with the new master bedroom. Since the foyer and kitchen already look quite dramatic, I wanted the rest of the communal space to be as simple as possible. I initially wanted the whole area to be white, but the last minute I decided to change the dining room wall to black, as I think some color contrast will look nice. For the flooring, I purposely chose large format tiles. This was to minimize the grout lines and visual clutter, as I think big open concept spaces tend to look messy easily. I think the corridor is one of my favorite parts of the house. As a designer, I'm not really a fan of things that look too artificial. If I like how cement looks, I'd rather use actual cement instead of laminates. So that's how this cement screed walls came to be. Designing the walls was quite fun. The circular groove are a classic feature in Taro Ando's work, while these straight cut lines are something I experiment with to make it seem like a wall panel. Since the communal area is overall quite bright, I went with a darker industrial-ish theme in the master bedroom. I kept the sleeping area separate from the wardrobe, as I think it feels way more relaxing. At the same time, I wanted to keep the space as open as possible, so I thought of experimenting with curved archway to soften the look. For the master ensuite, I decided to go with a luxurious hotel-like look. As I really like the relaxing vibe you get from hotel bathroom, the whole area features the same glossy marble tiles to keep things cohesive. Renovating my house was quite interesting. As an ID, I do like to put myself in homeowner's shoes. But there are some things you can't fully understand unless you're a homeowner as well. So, this experience helped me understand both sides. And now, when I have new clients coming to me, I can relate to them as both an ID and homeowners. Overall, I love how my house turned out. My family and I have been staying here for over a year. And I think it's safe to say that we won't need to move out again.